So this is a collaboration video between myself and Marshalls, and we're talking about their porcelain range, and that's my van. So what this video is going to be it's a bit weird there. So who am I in relation to Marshalls? Well, I've been a registered Marshalls installer now for the last 7 years, using their products on 95% of the jobs I've been doing. Customers sometimes have bought their own products, which I must admit have been the cheaper range, which have been a bit naff. So I'm going to go through today what you can expect as a customer from the products and what the installers should expect when they're actually doing the installation process. So for you as a customer, what are the main benefits of choosing Marshalls porcelain? Well, firstly, it's a premium range product. So you don't want to be skimping on any cheap tiles. You want to get the good stuff, because the good stuff has so many benefits. Firstly, all the tiles are rectified, which basically means they're all cut to exactly the same size. So you're not going to get any weird size joints, because that could ruin a job. And because it's got a low water absorption rate, cleaning process is so easy. Damp rag, cloth, swipe, any dirt, grime comes off really easy. But you've always got to make sure you keep any dirt and debris off the tile as well. That is a must. That will help you in the long run. Plus, there's loads of colours, absolutely loads. There's one called planks, which actually looks like wood. And fair play, hats off the Marshalls, it really does look like wood. You can feel the grain and everything in it as well. So you as a customer probably just think porcelain's for your patio. Well, it's not. You can stick it to walls as well. So if you've got a boring looking wall in your garden and you want to make it look nice, because there's such a large range of patterns and colours, you can make a normal wall look pretty damn cool, just like this puppy. Before I forget as well, you can actually get 30mm heavy duty porcelain tiles for your driveway. So if you want to stand out from the crowd and get yourself something special to make your neighbours a little bit jealous, plonk some of these down. They're looks the biz. And they're certainly not slippery. You might think it, but they're not. So don't worry about that, it's fine. So as an installer, what's the main benefits? And of course the main benefit with porcelain tiles is just they're all flat. If they're all flat, your life just becomes so much easier. And because they're all rectified as well, which means you can guarantee you can have the same size joint throughout. The only difference is really, when you're cutting it, make sure you've got yourself a nice premium porcelain blade and you've got a water suppressed saw like I've got behind me. Makes life so much easier when you're cutting, and safer. So if you've got a project coming up this summer, you want to use some porcelain, I suggest get hold of Marshalls. Get yourself a brochure, have a browse through it, any samples you like, get them to send some samples over so you can see what it's going to look like in your garden, and you can even get a local registered installer to your area to do the installation process for you. Right, that's it from me. I'm out of here. It's been a long day. Later.